Welcome to my channel, Practically Home. Today we're going to be showing you guys how we're going to upgrade our upstairs loft. This has been a room where our kids and their friends hang out. It's become quite the frumpy dumpy space, and we're going to be giving this a little bit of a facelift. My husband and I want to hang out up here, but it's just not our favorite spot in the home, and so the goal is to make it into a cozy area. So this is the e-design that I kind of whipped up on my computer. I used Canva. It's very simple, but I just plugged in a few of the items that we already have, our new sectional that we're getting, and the first thing we're going to be doing is painting our walls. I found this really beautiful color. It's called Sable green, and I got it at Lowe's. It's in the brand by Valspar, and I really was wanting something that was going to be really rich and just kind of warm up the space. We have a ton of natural light in our loft, and I wanted to paint the walls. We have white walls all throughout our home, and so I wanted to sit with this color for a day or so, and when I was for sure about it, we started painting. We did use our air spray gun to paint all of our walls, which really helped. We had a lot of coverage to do, but this is how the color is looking, and I was really happy with it. I feel like we can get away with it because we have so much natural light in our loft. So this is the final result. This is how the paint turned out, and I'm really happy with it. To add to our window treatments, I ordered these curtains from 2-Page Curtains, and they are so good. These are a triple pinch pleat. They are also a black outlining, and they also have a memory foam bottom. Those are kind of like my 3 go-tos. So I picked up some curtain rods. These are from Target. I just got them in a matte black to tie in with the rest of the accents that we have in our loft, and my husband helped me install the mounts, and we installed them, and I absolutely love the contrast between our white curtains, and we also have these Roman shades that are also from 2-Pages that I love as well. So I like the idea of like doubling up for our loft. What's really nice about these curtains that because they have that black outlining behind them, it will make the loft even better for when we watch movies at nighttime. So this is how the curtains look. I'm like super pleased with them. I did them really wide, but we can have them open when we want lots of light in our loft. So moving on, we also have this back wall, which I thought would be perfect for an art gallery. So I got all of these frames from Target. I went with a natural light wood. I did get them in a handful of different sizes, and so I am going to be sprinkling these on our wall. I already mapped out all the nails that I needed, and so we're just going to be hanging these up. I have a few prints in here already. I'm just waiting for the other prints to arrive. Next, I have this little corner. I got this little side table from Target, and then I'm adding my big planter pot. This bowl is from Pottery Barn, and then I have a ZZ plant and a few other greeneries that are growing in there, and it's just been thriving. But I really love the pop of color in the corner of the loft, and I think it looks really cute. Next, for the rug, we have had this area rug, so this isn't anything new, but I have still loved it. This is by the Amber Lewis and Lowly collection. This is the Billy rug, and it's in a size 10 by 14. I will link all of this down below so you guys can check it out in case you want to replicate this exact look for your own home. But this rug is great. I love how thin it is, but I really love how it also ties in the warm walls and adds like a little bit more extra color to our loft. Our sectional finally showed up from Castlery. I'm so ecstatic and so excited. We waited a long time for this. This arrived and it's beautiful, absolutely stunning, gorgeous. And I absolutely love the fabric. This is their Dawson L sectional. It's in the color soft creamy white. But the best part about this whole sectional is that it is machine washable. So all the cushions can be taken off. You can wash them in your washing machine. And I love that the sectional is a modular, so you can really customize it to the layout of your own home. So we went for more of a long layout for our loft because it's a little bit of an odd shape, but this sectional was absolutely perfect. I did order a throw blanket to complement the sectional, and then I also ordered a few pillowcase covers as well. I want to style the sectional and not have it be too crazy, but I do want to just warm it up a little bit. I found these amazing storage bins from Amazon to hide our remotes in them, and then I bought more pillow covers that I will show you in a second to go on the beautiful sectional Sectional from Castlery. But these are the remotes. This is how we're gonna hide them. So I really love that these are functional, but they're still stylish and they're cute. And it's just an easy way to kind of keep all the clutter to a minimum for our loft. So we're adding the dark chocolate brown pillow to the sectional, and then I also have the floral print. I think they're amazing, love them, and I love how they complement the sectional in a really like simple way. We're not gonna like overdo it with throw pillows for the loft. Okay, so this is how our loft ended up turning out. I am so crazy happy with it. It's exactly what I was picturing, and it's so nice to enjoy our loft now and not have it feel like it's a space that we're not in love with. But I do want to show you how this queen throw blanket looks behind the sofa. I feel like this is my go-to nowadays. It helps minimize the handprints from little kids, but it also helps just tie in some more colors throughout our loft. So anyways, thank you guys so much for checking out my loft makeover. I hope you enjoyed it. Drop me a comment down below, say hi, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.